Hello. In this video I want to show you how to manage the administration of your products in Shopware 6. To show you the correct procedure, we will switch to the category catalog and choose the subcategory products. Now you see your chart where you can edit and delete existing products, as you already know, using the 3 dots on the right side. Now we will go ahead and add a new product using the tab above. Here you can see the configuration page. We will enter a title and a description so we can switch afterwards to our storefront to see how it looks like. Below you can see the product number and choose a manufacturer. For this video we want to choose an already existing one. But if you want to add a new one, you can manage it in the category catalog and the subcategory manufacturers. Afterwards, you have the possibility to activate or deactivate your product on the storefront or highlight it with a promotion. In the next box, you can define a tax rate, a gross and a net price, and the purchase price. We choose, for example, €100 gross, and you see that the system automatically converts into net. Now there's only missing the purchase price. Below we will find the settings concerning deliverability. Here you have to enter the quantity in stock, for example 100 units, decide whether you want to have the product as a closeout or not, and if you want to have free shipping on this product. Also you can choose the delivery time, for example 1 to 3 or 2 to 5 days, enter a restock time in days, for example 5 days, and decide if you want to have a minimum or maximum amount of purchase or the purchase steps. Now we go on to manage the assignment. Just select the category where you want to assign the product to. For example, we choose the category English, the main navigation, summer trends, and maybe accessoires. Afterwards, you can select the sales channel, for example, the headless and the main shop. And you can search for some tags if you want to. To make your product more vivid, of course, it's very important to add some media. Just open the media and the pop-up on the right side will show you all photos and media you uploaded before. Choose one, for example, from the product media and add it through drag and drop. Afterwards, you can close the pop-up. Below you will find other settings where you can enter a release date, enter an EN number, or an original manufacturer product number. You can also define measurements if they will be relevant for your product, and also the packaging. Now you can save the product on top, and you will find more tabs to choose if you scroll up. For example, the advanced pricing, property assignment, or variant generator. Use advanced pricing if you want to set up any rule that should have influence on the product. Maybe a rule that you build with a plugin rule builder. Now you can search for some properties that you want to assign to your product, like for example different colors or dimensions. We are choosing now the brown, gray and apple color. Use the variant generator next to the property assignment for more variants of your product. Just click on the tab in the middle to generate, for example, 3 different colors of your product. Now generate the variants and confirm a second time. Now you see a chart with all 3 variants of your product. Let me show you now this product on the storefront and check if everything was filled out correctly. As you remember, we selected the category Summer Trends and the subcategory Accessoires for our new product. Switching to the product itself, we can see that the title and the description was taken over, as well as the manufacturer, the price, delivery time, the generated colors and variants, and the order number. Thank you for your time and watching this video.